I'm going to show you how to do a heel toe pump spin, and it looks like this. The trick to this spin is to make sure you go down and out, up and in. So here I'll show you and break it down a little bit. Start with your toes together, bend your knees. You're going to pull your right toe back, put your heel down. At this point, your feet are apart. And now you're going to lift your left toes up, slide your feet together, and at this point, you're going to extend your body. So, drag the toes back, get down, pull your heel in, extend. So it's down, up, down, up, out, in, out, in. If this is a little bit too tricky for you, you can keep it small and start off with a simple helicopter turn. Start with your toes together, lift your right heel because I like to spin over my right hand shoulder. You're going to pull your right toes back. Now lift your left toes, push your left heels forward. So drag, push. You can start small. Now what makes the pump turn what it is that you are going out and in. So start to get a little bit bigger, out and in. And now start to accentuate the out with going down and the in with coming back up. So bend, extend. In order to get more momentum, if you're starting from just a standing position, use your arms and your head. So look over the shoulder that you're spinning towards and use your arms. Once you get the hang of this, then you're ready for the regular heel toe spin, which looks like this. That one's a little bit more advanced. So if you would like a detailed tutorial on how to do that, go ahead and click right here. Good luck.